Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. In today's session, we will study about Google Data Studio. So first of all, let us see what is Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a free analytics tool from Google. It helps us to create engaging, interactive and beautiful stories and dashboards. Also, we can share the dashboards with stakeholders and collaborators. Google Data Studio turns your data into fully customizable, informative reports and dashboards that are easy to read and share. Data Studio is a free tool that turns your data into informative, easy to read, easy to share, and fully customizable dashboards and reports. Now let us quickly look at the benefits of Data Studio and why we should use Data Studio. What all you can do with Data Studio. You can tell your story in data. Visualize your data through charts and tables. You can easily connect to a variety of data sources. You can share your insights with your team or with anyone in the world. Also, you can collaborate on reports with your team members. Next, you can visualize your data. You can tell your data story with chart. You can plot different charts including line, bar chart, pie chart, geo maps, area and bubble graphs, data tables, pivot tables and more. You can make your reports interactive, you can apply filters and you can control your data range. You can include links and clickable images to create product catalogs. You can annotate and brand your reports with text and images. You can apply styles and color themes that make your data source that can make your data stories work. Next, there are inbuilt templates. Templates make it easy to visualize your data in a finished report. Also, you can create your own templates. Next is that you can connect to your data. You can easily report on data from a wide variety of sources without programming. In just a few seconds, you can connect to data sources such as databases including BigQuery, MySQL, and other DBMS softwares. Google consumer products such as Sheets, YouTube, and Search Console. You can import your data from flat files such as CSV file. You can import data from social media platforms such as Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter. So in this way, you can blend your data from any combination of related sources. And in the end, we can share and collaborate. It is easy to share your insights with individuals, teams, and the world. You can invite others to view or edit your reports. You can embed your reports in other pages such as Google Sites, blog posts, marketing articles, and annual reports. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Are you ready to dive in and explore data? Okay, so open this website datastudio.google.com. Now let us understand the Google Data Studio interface. From the Google Data Studio home screen, let us go ahead and click on blank report, or you can click on create and then report. So you can do in any one way. At this moment, it will ask you to connect with some data. So we will be uploading our data afterwards. So for the time being, let us look at the interface. Let me show you the interface. Click on cross button towards the right side of the screen. So now you can look at the Google Data Studio reporting canvas. So here we will be creating and enhancing our visuals. We will create different type of graphs and charts. Next, at the top side you can see the menu bar. So here you can find different menus. This allows us to apply different features to our Google Data Studio report. So right now most of the features are disabled because right now we have not uploaded any data. The view button towards the top right side of the screen enables us to see our report, how our report will look to the other users. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on it. So I think by now you must be comfortable and you must be familiar with the Google Data Studio layout. Okay, so let us add our data. Click on File Upload from the options listed below. Next, click on the button that says Click to Upload Files. So here we will be uploading salesdata.csv. Select the file and then click on Open. Google will now upload this file and then process this file. You can wait for few seconds as it may take some time to process the data. If you can see the green icon, then it will be a success and the word uploaded on the right side of the screen will appear. You can feel free to play with this data. So here I just want to show you how we can upload and connect with the data. So let me delete this data file. Now let us upload another data file. Next, click on My Data Sources. And here we can see this file world population data 2005 to 2014. So here we will be using this sample data. Let us select this file and then click on add. Select add to report and once again Google Data Studio has connected with the source data and has also prepared a sample table for us. You can look at this table carefully. So here it is aggregating multiple years together. You can also rename your file. So let us rename this file and give it a name population analysis. You can give any name as you like. Now let us see how we can create a chart. So click on this option, add a chart, and then select the time series, and you can adjust it below our title. Now you can see Google has correctly guessed what type of data what we want to display in this chart. Next, let us add another chart. So click on any blank space, click anywhere in the reporting canvas and add another chart. This time let us create another time series chart and drop it below the title. You can resize it accordingly. Now this time the Google has not correctly guessed what we want to display. It's showing us the internet percentage, whereas I want to display the mobile subscription percentage by year. So we can easily fix this. Simply go ahead and drag the mobile subscriptions and drop it here, drop it across internet percentage, and it will be replaced. Now instead of time series chart, we can also add scorecard at the top of our report. So let us see how we can do this. So select the first scorecard and drag it below the title, and you can resize it. So here we have displayed the raw population data. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any suggestion or queries, then you can ask in the comment box. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.